There's a lot going on in number 3. Where are my maximum, just letter-wise, not coordinate-wise right now? What letters represent my maximums here?
B.
Yeah, Tristan. B and F. You got 2 of them. All right, we got 2 little bumps on the top. So B would be at -2, 4. F would be at 2, 0. Right? Everybody with me so far? Yeah. What letter represents my minimum?
D.
D. It's my little scoop, my dip down here, which looks like it's at about 0.25, comma, -2. End behavior. What direction are both of my arrows pointing?
Down.
Down.
So it would be both decreasing.
That's right. Double decreasing. And now for our increasing and decreasing intervals. Okay? I'm going to do this in 2 colors. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing it visually. All right? So, to figure this out, I'm going to start on the very left side of my graph, right? Here's my leftmost point right here. And I'm going to work my way up to this first maximum point, B. All right? So I'm going along my function, boom, boom, boom. I hit point B. Right? Am I going up? Sorry, you can't see it. In that yellow section right there, am I going up or am I going down?
Up.
I'm going up. So is that a positive? Or sorry, this is why it's easy to get confused. Would that be increasing or decreasing if I'm going up?
Increasing.
Increasing. So I stop at -2, and my increasing is anything less than that, right? Less to the left, anything less than that. So I have an increasing interval at x is less than -2. That whole yellow piece right there, all of those points on that yellow piece have an x value less than -2 to the left. Right? Everybody with me so far?
Yeah.
Now when I hit this maximum, immediately I know I'm changing direction. So if I was increasing, I must be decreasing now all the way down to my relative minimum at point D. Okay? So we can see, if we're imagining, the roller coaster is the best way to think about it. We're decreasing on this down slope from B to D. Right? Where does this pink section start on the x-axis? Where does it start on the x-axis?
-2.
-2. Okay. Where does it end?
0.25.
0.25. So x is anywhere in between
Those 2 numbers.
-2 and 0.25. I'm just going to do it in yellow. Still with me?
Yeah.
No? Okay. So now I hit another relative extrema, my point D. I was decreasing, I hit D, now I'm changing directions. I must be increasing all the way up to point F. So in that little yellow section, where do I start? On the far left.
0.25.
0.25, and I go all the way to
2.
2. So 0.25 less than x less than 2. Again, that's my increasing. I hit my relative maximum at point F, which means I'm changing directions. I must be decreasing now forever, anywhere to the right of +2.
Yes.
So x is greater than 2. So because we have 3 extrema, 2 maximums, and a min, we have 3 extrema, we're going to have 4 of these intervals, right? Because we start going up, I hit one of them and change, hit another one and change, hit the last one and change for the last time. Does seeing the little highlighted bits help at all visually kind of connect the dots?
Kind of.
Yeah? Good. Like I said, the front's a lot harder than the back. Hopefully you saw that. So increasing, decreasing, think about the roller coaster. Okay, think about the roller coaster. If you're talking about positive, negative, you should think about the ocean and the sand, right? Whether you're below the ocean or you're up on the sand. Flipping over to the back to take a look at number 12. Number 12 is an easy one, even though it might look odd. Do I have any relative maximum, any kind of high points?
No.
No. So I'm going to write none. Do I have any low points, any relative minimums? No.
It's going on infinitely.
Now, my arrows are going different directions, so I got to be careful here. As x increases, so as my x values are increasing in their numbers, what direction is my arrow pointing?
Up.
Up. So my function increases as x increases. But as x decreases, if we go to the left, to the left, to the left, what direction is that arrow pointing? Down. So as x decreases, my function decreases as well. So that's just the end behavior. Where is this function in general increasing? Right? If I'm going to count from left to right, and I put my little roller coaster here, right, from left to right, what direction is this roller coaster car going? It's going up.
Infinite.
Is it ever going to hit that maximum point where it changes direction?
No.
No, because there is no maximum point.
So
So the increasing interval, if you remember what we talked about
for number 7.
kind of on number 7, yeah, we could just say it's increasing infinitely, right? A little sideways 8, infinite sign. Or we could say
Negative.
x is in between negative infinity and positive infinity. If this was a roller coaster, is there anywhere on this roller coaster where it's going to start going down? No. There is no decreasing interval. Anthony, put it away. Thank you. If there's no decreasing interval, so we're just going to write none. Okay? Is there a line of symmetry for this?
No.
No. Look how easy that was. We didn't even have to do most of the work.
Well, I can't draw an infinite sign.
Turn your paper 90 degrees and write an 8. Right? Magic. I know. All right, we're going to take 10 minutes. At 2:10, we're going to turn this in. So get as much done as you can. Hopefully you get to you can finish up. If not, just finish it tonight. All right, 10 minutes starting now. Go ahead.